Today, we're going to unbox and take a first look at the Fujifilm X-T3. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Phil with Photo Gear Fun here today with an unboxing of the Fuji X-T3. I got my kit without a lens. I already have a lens. So you've got paperwork, camera itself, and I'll give you a better look around the camera. And the accessories. Got the battery, it's the same battery all the X series camera uses. Charger, little tiny XF or EF X8 flash, an adapter for the US, some connectors for the strap, and the strap itself. Well, that's pretty much what's in the box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a tour around the camera. I'm going to take some pictures, take some video, and then we'll come back and talk a little bit more in this first look at the Fujifilm X-T3. So here's the camera. Start out with the top. Looks pretty much like the X-T2. Your knobs and dials here for ISO. You've got your shutter speed, and then they do turn and lock, and they're actually dual layers. And then you've got exposure compensation, shutter, on-off switch. There's a function button here, diopter. On the back, we've got a number of different buttons, pretty much the same layout as the X-T2. Your D-pad here, and display. The screen does not completely articulate. It does tilt up and down, and then sideways. It's a 3-inch screen. We'll get into the more of the specs in the full review. You can see here you have your drive mode, including movie mode. And you've got your photometry, as they like to call it, here on the bottom collar. On the side, you've got an access panel for all of your ports. It's got microphone in, headphones out, USB-C type, and mini HDMI, and this door does come off. I won't take it off at the moment. On the front, again, very similar. This is the 18 to 55, which would be a kit lens. I got this with my X-T1 when I bought it. On the bottom, got your 1/4-20 connector for the grip if you get it, your battery door, and then on the other side, dual card slots. Yay. That's been a lot of talk about certain cameras that have come out that don't have dual card slots. I wanted to point out too, it does have the joystick here. So we're going to talk again more about this in my full review. This is just a first look. I just wanted to kind of give you a look around the camera. It's very, very handsome in the Fuji Sense camera. So I'm going to take some pictures, video. I'm going to show you those pictures, show you those videos. This does shoot 10-bit video, so for all the video folks out there, that's probably a big thing. I'm just learning about video. I know 10-bit gives you more space to work with, color space to work with. It does 420 internally and 422 externally. I'm going to hook it up to the Ninja. Got the Ninja 5. There'll be a review coming out on that soon. Show you some of that video. But that is an overview or look at the Fujifilm X-T3. Now let's take a look at the pictures and the videos, and then we'll come back and wrap this up. Here's the video I shot. This is in their F-Log, which is their flat profile. So you can see it doesn't really look all that colorful, but it allows you to capture the maximum amount of dynamic range, the shadows and the highlights. And now here's a LUT that I found, and you can see the color difference right there, that you can download from the Fujifilm website. It's the F-Log to Eterna profile LUT, so you can see that definitely the colors pop, there's more contrast, everything looks better compared to, again, the flat profile. So you'll get good dynamic range in the flat profile, and then it's really just one click to add that F-Log to Eterna LUT, and now you can see the difference there. Video looks really good. It's crisp, it's clear, it's free of noise for the most part. This was shot at ISO 100. Video looks really, really good. So here's one more look at the F-Log. I want to show you just a few pictures that I took of our cat. You can see the settings on each photo. They look good. These are taken at relatively high ISOs, so you can see all the information at the bottom there. But initially, I think it's going to make a great camera. Take pictures at ISO 100. It's going to look really, really good. So those are just a few of the pictures. I'm going to talk about who this camera might be for. Well, who is this camera for? I think this camera is for anybody, whether you want to shoot video or stills. I think this is going to be a great video camera. It's a great stills camera, and it's an awesome hybrid camera. So if you're looking to shoot great video, great stills, certainly this could be the camera for you. This is Phil with Photo Gear Fun. Get out there and have your photo gear fun. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe as well and click on that bell icon. We will see you again in the next video.